and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Chief Minister hits out at Centre for not providing adequate share in taxes to state. CM assures to make efforts to get the special category status for Goa. Will step down as GCA president if government acts on Pense Commission report, Vinod Padke states in head-on. Says BCCI supported him to dethrone Narvekar. Fisherwomen carry out rally against Madgaon municipality's decision to shift them from old fish market. Demand removal of Madgaon municipality chairperson. And GCA looks for land for cricket stadium around Panji or Vasco. Dhavlikar's Parmaguri option unlikely to be considered. TV may lose stadium project. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has hit out at the centre for not providing adequate share in taxes even after state's significant financial contribution. CM has assured that government will make systematic efforts to get special category status for the state. He is also ready to lead an all-party delegation to Delhi. Government will soon move an amendment in the Land Revenue Code to ban sale of agricultural land to a non-agriculturist. Congress MLA Momin Gudino, while raising an issue of special status, heavily criticized the UPA-ruled central government for stepmotherly treatment to Goa.
गाडगील फॉर्म्युला म्हणते जे आसा मुखार ते आमकां लागू करून आमी परफॉर्म करता. बर्थ रेट लोवेस्ट, डेथ रेट लोवेस्ट, हेल्थ पॅरामिटर्स बरे, बाकीचे सगळे आमचे जे पॅरामिटर्स स्टेटाचेर इव्हॅल्युएट करता ते बरे. आमचे बेस्ट स्टेट म्हणून आमकां एवॉर्ड मेळटा. एक आसा पयशांची गरज. इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर वर्क्स कितलेशे आमकां जाय आनी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तरी कामां जातली, पयशांची गरज आसा. एक गजाल आसा स्पेशल कॅटेगरी म्हणल्यार म्हाका समज आहा तशें
वी हॅव लो पॉप्युलेशन वायल वी गिव लॉट ऑफ रेवेन्यू टू द सेंट्रलाक रेवेन्यू आमचो जवळ 10,000 कोटी रुपया दर वर्साक आमी सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाक फारीक करता गोंयकार. वेर स्टेट रेवेन्यू दे पे टू द स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट is hardly 4,000 or 4,500 crores. Mine export itself last year probably has given them more than 18,054, about 4,500 to 5,000 crores. खरे जर मायनीची लूट कोण मारता जाल्यार सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट सगळ्यात म्हणजे आय एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रायव्हेट ऑपरेटर्स. गोंयाक डेफिनेटली हो स्टेटस गरज आहा. पयलो फायनान्शियल स्टेटस बिकॉज सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट इज गेटिंग सो मच मनी फ्रॉम अस that every 10 rupees they don't even return back 1 rupee to us. So the only way to get it is stay in the central government.
पयशांच्या बाबतीन आमकां हांव सदांच समजता आनी आजूय सांगता आमकां स्टेप मदरली ट्रिटमेंट सेंटरा कडेसून मेळ्ळलो आसा. आमी प्रयत्न करपाक जाय. गरज जाल्यार सीएमान एक ऑल पार्टी डेलिगेशन दिल्ली व्हरपा जाय.
Whether to lead a all party delegation, I have no objection to it. भीक मागपाक वचचो ना. तूं पळय जे डेव्हलपमेंटाचे प्रोजेक्ट सांगता ते प्रोजेक्ट सेंट्रलान पयशे दिले म्हणून रावचे ना. वी वील डू दोज प्रोजेक्ट बिकॉज एनवायरमेंट डॅमेज ऑफ मायनिंग इज फेस्ड बाय अस, नॉट बाय सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट. दे आर ओनली एन्जॉयिंग द मनी आउट ऑफ इट and on the top of it they talk big things. They don't do anything themselves. They are the basic perpetuator of all this illegality. Protection of agricultural land. The government is contemplating bringing in a legislation in this session. It is in the final stages of being vetted to be moved to the cabinet. Probably by next week.
Which legislation? About the land?
About protection of sale of agricultural land to a person other than agriculturist is being worked out in this current session itself by amending Land Revenue Code. We will come with the legislation during this tenancy minor modification so that agricultural land is not sold to an outsider.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
New president of Goa Cricket Association, Vinod Phadke, is ready to step down if government decides to act on Paintsay Commission's report. The report has indicted Phadke in ticket get scam during India-Australia ODI match. Phadke, while speaking in head-on, revealed that BCCI was fully supporting him to oust Dayanand Narvekar from the GCA.
फाल्यां समजा हे पेंडसे कमिशनाचें प्रकरण वाडलें. Are you ready to step down?
100%. If government want me to step down, if CM want me to step down, definitely I'll step down. See, I believe in destiny. See, if it is going to happen, so it will happen. I won't have any complaints about it. But I told you first only, I know CM is very wise man, he is very efficient, and he will do what is best.
तू म्हणटा की तू तुजी सायडीच्यान इतली बरी करतलो की कोणाक तशें करपाची फाल्यां गरज पडची ना.
I think so. This is what I think.
But you are ready. You are prepared. फाल्यां जर प्रकरण हातभायर वता, you are prepared.
Can you fight against government? You can't fight against government. And I don't know to fight against government.
BCCI was supporting you in expelling Narvekar.
100%. 100%. Because they have seen the behavior of Mr. Narvekar for last so many years. And they were very annoyed with him.
झगडी तुमची ताजी करियरा कडेन कित्याक खेळटा? आज तुम्ही जालें इलेक्शन जालें, तूं अध्यक्ष जालो, खंय तरी ही बंदी कमी करपा विशीं किंवा फाटी घेवपा विशीं कितें चल्लां?
तेणें ऑलरेडी आमकां लेटर धाडलां गणेश राजन की हितून आपली कांय चूक ना, की आनी आपणाक हें खबर नासलें. आतां तो हें म्हणटा आपणाक खबर नासलें, हें म्हाका पटना आनी तुमकांय पडचें ना. जो येदो व्हडलो भुरगो जेका खबर आहा आवय बापायची कर्म, तो भुरगो म्हणू शकता आपणाक खबर ना, कांय खबर ना म्हणू शकता, आनी आवय बापूय म्हणटात आपणाकूय खबर ना. केलें कोणी हें? सी पनिशमेंट 6 वर्सां म्हाकाय दिसलें तेन्ना की मातशें चड जालें कशें. डेफिनेटली वील थिंक अबाउट इट.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.
Devrai Furnitures presents the widest range of sofas. And 9-seaters. Corner sofas with full upholstery and fabrics of your choice. Devrai Furnitures, the exclusive sofa gallery at first floor, Devrai Building, Arke, Margao.
विधानसभेच्या कामकाजाचो नियाळ घेवपी कार्यावळ पळयात ब्रेकार 16 जुलैच्यान लायव्ह दनपारां 4 वरांचेर.
Spectre Opticals, authorized retail outlet for Ray-Ban sunglasses. Get all the genuine brands and eyewear collections. Professional eye testing lab. The largest collection of prescription glasses and sunglasses. Spectre Opticals, Wadji Vijaya Apartments, 18 June Road, Panjim.